Hi friends, myself Dr. Sagar Mundada. I'm a consultant psychiatrist. In today's world, with all the corona anxiety and with many people working from home, some people are really getting very distressed. So, amongst all the hectic schedule wherein you have to do home chores and you have to do work also, and you have to manage 100 different things, how do you relax your mind? So, I'm going to share two simple tips with you that you can do from anywhere, and it requires not more than 5 minutes of your daily time. The first tip to maintain a good mental health and relax yourself is something called as mindfulness. Now, what is mindfulness? Mindfulness is a very simple art of trying to be in the present moment in a non-judgmental, compassionate way. So you'll say, Doctor, what does that mean? I'll just illustrate with an example. What you need to do is, after 1 hour of heavy work and you are overwhelmed, just sit at one place and tell yourself that I am going to focus on my breathing pattern for the next 1 to 2 minutes. I'm just going to notice how I'm breathing in through my nose and I'm going to breathe out through my mouth, and I'm just going to notice how it is that I'm breathing. Along with this, I'm going to notice the movements of my chest and my abdomen along with my breathing. I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to change my breathing to deep breathing or fast breathing. I'm just going to be more attentive of my breath. And while I do so, if I get distractive thoughts, if I get thoughts which make me ponder and make me go away, in a very compassionate way, I'll tell myself, please come back and focus on your breath. In essence, this is mindfulness, being mindful of the present moment. So let's start. Just focusing on my breath in and out, in and out, in and out, and noticing what is my chest movement like, what is my abdomen movement like, in and out, in and out. And while I'm doing this, I am getting thoughts that, oh, I have to look after 3 more patients, that, oh, I have not had my lunch till now. Whenever your mind wanders off, tell itself, just come back and focus on your breath. So I had that thought, and now I'm reminding my mind, please come back and just focus on your breath in and out, and on the chest and abdominal movements. Do this for 5 minutes every day, and you will notice that slowly but surely your mind is becoming much more relaxed. Second thing, this is what I call as the Hampach formula of relaxing yourself anywhere, anytime. All of us have 5 senses that God has endowed us with. We have to use it more productively. So whenever you feel very stressed, what you do is you just sit at a place, take 3 to 4 deep breaths, and once you've taken 3 to 4 deep breaths, tell yourself, I'm going to use each of my sense to notice something new in the environment which I was not doing before. So if I'm very agitated right now, I'm just going to relax myself by taking some deep breaths first. And now I'm going to use each of my senses. So I'm going to use my vision now to look in front of me and try and notice something new that I did not notice but was already there. So I noticed that there is a glass bottle there, and I thought I had perceived that it was totally full, but now that I look at it more closely, it is only half or 2/3 full. So I've tried to notice something new using my sense. Second, I'll use my hearing sense, and I'll try and notice whether there are any other background sounds which I was not noticing before, like the noise of the fan, or the noise of the air conditioner, or the noise of the vehicles passing on the road right next to your house. Third, I'm going to use my smell sense, and what I'm going to do is use it to my fullest and see if I can see any new fragrance, I can feel any new fragrance, I can smell any new fragrance or aroma, or even a bad smell for that matter, which was there already but I did not notice. The fourth thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take something in my hand, let's say it could be a nice pastry or it could be anything that you like, and just put it in your mouth and try and savor all the different flavors that it has to offer. The initial crumbing, the inner part which might be sweet, the third part which might have some other taste. So try and appreciate all the tastes. And finally, the touch sense that God has given us. I will feel how this coat feels along my skin here. Does it feel warm or cold? Does it feel smooth or rough? So I'm going to use my touch sense. So using this Hampach formula of 5 senses, you can always relax yourself even in the worst of situations wherein you're angry, agitated, anxious, stressed out. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you. Have a great day.